Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to read anyone's Instagram message without being seen. If you're using Instagram and you want to see anyone's Instagram message without being seen, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Instagram app and here simply go to your profile in the bottom right corner. And here just tap on three dots in the top right corner. And from here, you just have to scroll down and look for message and stories replies. Just tap on it, and here you'll get show read receipts. Simply tap on this, and from here you must have to disable that toggle as I have already disabled. Here you can see the description that others can see when you have read then messages. If you have enabled this setting just like that, so now if you have seen anyone's message, they will be notified that you have seen the message. But if you have disabled that setting, now you can easily read anyone's message on Instagram, but the other person will not ever know. So that's how you can easily read anyone's Instagram message without being seen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.